Like, I just want you lot to understand, yeah, that you lot need to be putting in work when you're sleeping with these girls, bro. When you're sleeping with these women, bro. Like, make sure you're doing it properly, bro. Once you do get in a position where you manage to get the girl into the bed, yeah, like, some of you guys completely shag the whole operation. I mean, you completely just it up. Yeah. And think about it, like, you don't want to go through all this trouble, all this work, you know, all these rejections and getting ghosted and all of this stuff to finally get to the position where you can stick your meat in, you can slide your meat inside those walls. Yeah. She's ready and willing to give you that top. Yeah. And then, bro, like, you are not performing. Bro, it's unacceptable. I'm telling you, listen, I know that girls have an easy road in life, easier than us. Yeah? I know girls, all a girl has to do is really turn up. Yeah? But at the same time, yeah, as a guy, you know, you got to put in work, bruv. You got to put in a shift. I hold you lot accountable. I hold women accountable. I hold guys accountable as well. Bro, like, you can't go in there being some minute man business, bruv. Like, you're just wasting your time. You're wasting her time and you're wasting your own time, bruv. Yeah? You're going to go in there. You're going to, as soon as your dick feels the moisture, yeah? As soon as it feels the moisture, bruv, you're ready to bust a nut, bruv. Like, bro, you're wasting your time, bro. You're wasting everybody's time, bruv. And guess what? She's gonna not give you a second chance. Yeah, let me tell you from experience. Like, there's been occasions where I've gone to sleep with a chick and it's not gone according to plan. It's been shit. And trust me, most of those mishaps, most of those errors, I've not been given a second chance to redeem myself, bro. So when you go in there, make sure you are prepared. Make sure you've been going gym, you've been doing cardio. If you have to do shadow boxing like I do, you get me? You need to be running on the treadmill. You need to be on the cross trainer. All of that, bruv. Yeah? You need to have your stamina. Like, bro, like, think about this, yeah? Think about this. For you guys that are overweight, bro, obviously, if you're an overweight guy, when you beat girls, it's gonna be shit. I don't care how big your dick is, bruv. It's gonna be shit. Do you get what I'm saying? And I'm telling you, this is coming from a guy. I used to be fat. I used to be a chubby little shit. I used to be fat when I was little, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got teased for it, all of that. A lot of you guys going into these situations unprepared. Your dick is unprepared, bruv. Your heart and lungs are unprepared for what you've been looking for. And now you've been spending all your time focused on this. Oh, I just wanna have sex. I just wanna have sex. Now you go in there and then you just mess it all up, bruv. You can't blame the girl. You can't blame female nature. You can't blame hypergamy. You can't blame dating standards. You can't blame nothing, bruv. Yeah? You did that. Listen, and let me say this again. This is coming from a guy I've messed up loads of times. But for real, like, bro, like, you have to be putting in work, fam. Like, you have to do the thing properly, bro. Like, do you know what I mean? Because you're wasting your time, bro. And you can't blame nobody. Listen, again, like, if you're a fat dude, it's going to be shit because you have no stamina, bro. Like, you're going to be out of breath. Like, you're going to be like, like, do you know what I mean? You're going to be out of breath. Bro, you see when, listen, bro, big up HQTV for the super chat. Appreciate that, my bro. Yeah? Listen, if you're overweight or you're just unfit, you have no stamina, bro, you won't be able to sustain good like, you're not going to be able to sustain it, bro. Probably you're going to have poor circulation. Your blood circulation's going to be poor. You're not going to have oxygen going to your muscles and shit. It's just going to be rubbish. It's going to be trash. You know what I mean? You're going to be one of them lazy dudes that, oh, just get on top of me. You want the girl to get on top of you and you want to doggy her. You know, you doggying the chick. You're putting your belly on the back of her bum and that while you're doggying her. That's trash, bro. You should be ashamed of yourself. Do you know what I'm saying? You should be ashamed of yourself, bruv. Lose that weight. Get in shape, bruv. I always find it weird when you see all these fat celebrities, these men who are fat and they're rappers and they're celebrities or whatever, and they're talking about they got bad bitches and that. I'm thinking, when they these girls. It must be shit. I'm just thinking, I'm sorry, I could take your girl. I can at least your girl, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and she'll be me on a regular basis, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, she'll be with you, but she'll be me so that she can bust a nut. You get what I'm saying? Like, like your girl, the girl you're sleeping with should be able to bust a nut. And I'm not talking about you giving her oral. Listen to what I'm saying to you. Listen very well. Yeah? You should be able to make your girl bust a nut without oral. Now, I know some of you guys like to go down on girls and stuff like that. That's up to you. That's your prerogative, your thing, yeah? But you should be able to make a girl bust a nut, yeah, from just at least riding you. She should be able to ride your dick and then bust a nut. I'm telling you, bro. Listen, this is your brother talking, bro. I'm not talking like I think I'm better than you lot. Yeah, I'm talking because I'm trying to help motherfuckers, bro. Because I know how it feels. I know how it feels to go in a situation with a girl not knowing, oh shit, I don't know what's going to happen. Bro, nah, man. You should know what's going to happen, fam. You should be in control. Another thing, you know, if you're just weak. So if you're just some skinny dude or you're skinny fat and you might not have stamina or you might not have strength. Me personally, I like to do press-ups on a girl. Like, do you get what I'm saying? Like, I'll have the girl, I'll be on top of her and I'll be doing press-ups. You know what I'm saying? Smashing it in. Smashing that in there, bro. Like, if you're not strong, you won't be able to sustain holding yourself, bro. You won't be able to do it. This is the truth. Listen, if you have no strength, you're a skinny dude, or you're even worse, you're a skinny fat dude. Skinny fat being you have a skinny body and you have a pot belly. You're out of shape, no stamina, no strength. You won't be able to hold yourself up. You'll be doing missionary, then you're gonna like, oh. You'll be doing missionary, then, oh. Bro, like, it's unacceptable. Look, you've been crying about getting girls. You've been crying that you can't get girls. How do I get my ex-girlfriend back? You'll never get her back, bruv, because she's banging somebody like me. Do you understand? It's real. She's banging somebody like me. Bro, like no cap, yeah? No cap. Like, I've basically been banging for 24 hours, fam. Like, taking breaks, but basically going in. I know everybody's built different, but bro, like, if you live a healthy life, if you eat healthily and you exercise, you'll be able to do some super saiyan bro, some superhuman shit. The girl will be like, oh my god, I've never had this happen before. Ah!